Hey, good morning. Just wanted to give everyone a heads up on how things are going, what we kind of faced yesterday. And so basically we met with Zasmic, which is a software company that is hired by Google to help startups with the Google Cloud Startup Program. It's something that we were approved for a little while back, and they gave us the Google credit funding, and then they also sponsored workshops. So in this workshop that we're working on, it's the first session of a few, and we have it was a discovery call anyway, and the discovery call basically was to discuss security, latency, and ways that we can make sure that the infrastructure that we're building can support a customer base without leaking data from one customer to another, or for latency and just keeping up the speed that we want, response times, so that the code and everything is as efficient as possible, so it works more or less as quickly and efficient as possible. It's really neat to have the opportunity to chat with some guys that actually know the business from a extremely technical standpoint. I am, again, learning as I go, and it's amazing how much information is in this software engineering world. It's mind-boggling to me still, and it probably will be for a very long time. But I think it's such an amazing time to be a part of right now, because it's so fresh and it's exciting and it's new. And being that I have a background in construction for 20 plus years before jumping into AI and automations and software tech and all that kind of thing, this has kind of reignited some sort of spark that's just a creative spark. It's amazing to be working on. I think it's really neat because I found a likeness to construction in the software engineering. I'm basically building something that's imagined before anybody else sees it, creating it and creating pathways to an outcome. So I think maybe that's why I've taken to it, just because, construction, software engineering, think what you want, but to me they feel like they're close at a totally different level. So that was something that's pretty cool. In my developer role, we also started the transition out of that position. I'll be working my way out over the next few months as a contractor, which is pretty official. Like, this is all in for me. I've decided, talk the talk, walk the walk, live the part. CEO of a software company, prop tech, SaaS, whatever you want to call it. It's pretty crazy. It's a wild time in my life. It's exciting, and God willing, everything just blasts off, and I work through all these problems with my code. Well, there's not a lot of problems. It's just finalizing it. But it's a pretty complex system, so there's a lot to do. And being a solo bootstrap founder, it's something that it's daunting sometimes on the amount of work, but there's a lot of small wins, so that keeps me uplifted and keeps me motivated. I keep thinking back to some people that I've seen on YouTube and whatnot that say that a lot of successful people, a lot of people that have tried to be successful have given up right before they became successful. They were literally right at the line. So I don't see failure. I'm not seeing any sort of loss in motivation. The only result at the end of this line is a win. It is a company that helps the average Joe incorporate AI into their business and orchestrates it in a way that's easy to understand